Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create amazing videos using Clippy AI. Today we'll walk you through the entire process from generating your prompt to exporting the final video to YouTube. So let's dive in. We start by using ChatGPT to craft the perfect prompt. Here's a fun question. How many tries does it usually take you to get the perfect result? Once we have our prompt ready, we move over to Clippy AI and begin the magic. But we run into a little hiccup. We accidentally use two voice lines instead of one. Oops. But hey, it's part of the creative process. We'll fix that later. Now it's time to choose our art style. Clippy AI offers a variety of exciting options: cute anime, cinematic, ultra realism, and comic book. For this story, we're going with ultra realism to make everything feel as lifelike as possible. Now we're listening to some voiceover examples, searching for just the right one.
Dreams come true. Without that possibility, nature would not incite us to have them.
Ah, there it is. We pick our favorite and click Generate. The waiting begins. Just a few minutes and the videos are generated, but we're not quite happy with the results. Luckily, Clippy AI lets us refine our creation. For each clip, we can craft a new prompt to make it better. The voiceover is fantastic, but it keeps mentioning voiceover and visual, which needs to be corrected as we mentioned earlier. No worries, we're on it.
Intro, visual. A cute animation of a turtle and a pig standing next to each other in a playful environment. Voiceover 1. Tito. Calm.
Now we fix this, let's continue. Next, we create a fresh script for Clippy AI. It's crucial to tailor your prompts for the different AI models to get the best results. For this storytelling, we only need a narrator to guide the audience through the visuals and plot. Now we copy the new narrated text for using in script. The voice is perfect now, but the visuals are still not quite there. So we make adjustments per script, refining the image prompts to get the best result. You can try this up to 5 times, so make it count. Quick question for you all. What's your favorite art style to use with Clippy AI? Cute anime, cinematic, ultra realism, or comic book? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to know. All right, we're almost there. What do you think of the visuals so far? Would you have done something differently? Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. We finished making the visuals look perfect. Let's check out the
Meet
video.
Tito the turtle and Porky the pig. Two unlikely friends who were always up for an adventure. Tito was the calm, clever type, slow and steady with a plan for everything. Porky, on the other hand, was a bundle of energy, always charging ahead without thinking twice.
And finally, we're happy with the visuals. Now it's time to add captions and make them look absolutely awesome. When everything looks great, we hit Generate again and export the masterpiece straight to YouTube. I have to say, I absolutely love the visuals Clippy AI produces, and the emotion in the sound, just amazing. All right, here we go. Let's watch the final result together. Take a moment to enjoy the visuals, the storytelling, and that incredible voiceover. Honestly, I'm loving how this turned out. So what do you think? Was it worth the effort? And most importantly, would you try creating something like this with Clippy AI? If you enjoyed the journey, hit that like button and drop a comment below. And if you're ready to create your own AI-powered masterpiece, make sure to check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you all come up with. See you in the next one.
Watermelon they had ever seen. But there was a problem. It was sitting on the other side of a huge, slippery, muddy field. Whoa, that's one big watermelon, Tito said, his eyes wide. But this mud looks like trouble. Trouble? Pfft, Porky snorted with confidence. I'll just sprint right over it. And without another word, he dashed forward. But his feet slipped and splashed, sending him tumbling and sliding. Whoa, okay, maybe not as easy as I thought, he admitted, dripping with mud. Meanwhile, Tito shook his head with a chuckle. Sometimes slow and steady really does win the race, he said. Keeping his focus, Tito moved carefully, step by step, making slow but steady progress. Porky couldn't stand moving that slowly. But progress is so slow, he whined. Maybe if I just... Whoa! He tried to rush again and immediately fell face first into the mud. Yep, definitely not my best idea, he groaned. Tito looked around thoughtfully. That's when he spotted a sturdy log lying nearby. Here, Porky, try using this log, Tito suggested, nudging it toward him. It'll help you stay balanced. Porky's eyes lit up. Whoa! Tito, you're a genius! Let's